Are you curious about how sugar affects your health? Today we'll uncover the truth about sugar intake. The sugar can lead to weight gain and increase the risk of various health issues. But reducing your sugar intake can be challenging. Let's start by reading food labels to identify hidden sugars. They'll limit sugary beverages like soda and fruit juices. They'll opt for water, herbal teas, or infused water instead. They'll choose whole fruits over fruit juices for added fiber. They'll avoid processed foods that often contain high amounts of added sugars. They'll cook meals at home using fresh ingredients to control sugar content. They'll swap sugary snacks for healthier alternatives like nuts or seeds. They'll be mindful of healthy snacks that may still be high in sugar. They'll consider natural sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit as alternatives. Keep track of your sugar intake to stay within recommended limits. They'll gradually reduce added sugars in your coffee or tea. They'll experiment with homemade desserts using less sugar or alternative sweeteners. Find support from friends or family as you cut back on sugar. They'll be patient with yourself as you adjust to a lower sugar diet. They'll notice how your energy levels and mood improve as you consume less sugar. Celebrate small victories along your journey to reducing sugar intake. Then focus on the long-term health benefits of reducing sugar in your diet. And remember, it's about progress, not perfection when it comes to cutting back on sugar. They'll discover a new world of flavors when you avoid overly sweetened foods. They'll educate yourself on the different names for added sugars in ingredient lists. They'll plan your meals ahead of time to avoid reaching for sugary snacks impulsively. They'll listen to your body's signals of hunger and fullness to prevent excessive sugar consumption. Experiment with savory recipes to shift away from a reliance on sugary foods. They'll visit a nutritionist or dietitian for personalized advice on reducing sugar in your diet. They'll stay informed about the latest research on sugar and its impact on health. Join online communities focused on reducing sugar intake for support and tips. Set realistic goals for reducing sugar intake that align with your lifestyle. They'll incorporate more whole grains and lean proteins into your meals to balance blood sugar levels. They'll refresh your pantry with healthier options and donate sugary treats you no longer want. Replace sugary sauces and condiments with homemade versions using natural ingredients. They'll track your progress by journaling your meals and noticing changes in your health. Explore sugar-free recipes to expand your cooking skills and reduce sugar dependency. Seek motivation from success stories of individuals who have improved their health by cutting back on sugar. Check in with yourself regularly to reflect on how reducing sugar has positively impacted your well-being. Celebrate World No Sugar Day by committing to further reducing your sugar intake. Remember, you have the power to take control of your sugar consumption for a healthier future.